Hello, welcome to Old Phone Channel. Did you accidentally delete your video data? This sounds bad. Maybe video content is important to you. I have ways to help you get them back. You can choose according to your own situation. Let's see the first one. Way 1. Retrieve videos from recently deleted. By default, your deleted videos go to the recently deleted folder in your Photos app. So, first of all, here is how to find a deleted video on iPhone. Scroll down to find recently deleted section. Here will be your most recently deleted videos. Way 2. Recover videos from backup. The premise of this method is that you have made a data backup before deleting the video. Please make sure you have backup data to prevent all data loss caused by using this method. Follow these steps to recover a deleted video by restoring your whole iPhone from an iCloud backup. Open the Settings application on your iPhone. Go to General. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings and wait for the process to finish. After factory reset your iPhone. Follow the instructions to set it up. When you see the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Log into your iCloud account to view all of your backup versions. Choose the needed backup version. When the process is finished, you'll have all of the data back on your iPhone, including the deleted video. Way 3. Recover data by iOS Data Recovery. Old Phone iOS Data Recovery is a professional data recovery tool. Let's try it. Click Recover Data from iOS Device option on the home screen. Then connect your iPhone to PC. Choose the data you want to recover. Then hit Scan button. Well done! Now you can see your deleted video is here. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.